Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, subscribe. By the way, hi, I am Pallavi Arya and please like, share and comment on this video. तो इसका आइडिया मुझे कहाँ से आया? Well, अभी Instagram पे काफ़ी लोग home business and small businesses कर रहे हैं. #vocal for local. So I thought कि let's give it a try. Let's make something. Let's see our creativity area कि मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. मुझे ये पता चल गया कि मैं कितने पानी में हूँ. Absolutely, because oh my god, it took my heart and soul to complete this project. जो टाइम और जो पेशेंस और जो मेरी मेहनत और जो एनर्जी इसमें लगी, I cannot even tell you. And also आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, जब भी आप कुछ खरीदने जाते हो, स्पेशली हैंडमेड, प्लीज़ डोंट नेगोशिएट. बस मैं इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि अगर कोई छोटा मोटा अमाउंट है और आपको बहुत फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता उसके नेगोशिएशन से, तो प्लीज़ मत नेगोशिएट करो. बिकॉज जो लोग हाथ से चीज़ें बना कर देते हैं, दे आर गॉड. उनकी मेहनत you cannot even imagine. And now I'll stop blabbering and let's get started.
So let's begin. So first we will start with painting our keyrings, that is optional. We will begin mixing the two M-Seal formulas in one until they take one single color. You can also use white clay if you get it in the market. You have to use the talc while mixing the M-Seal because M-Seal is usually little sticky. After you are done mixing, start giving it different shapes. Shapes you like or you want to try. I am here making a circle, and out of that circle I'll cut a pizza shape, that is a triangle shape. You can choose any other shape you like. Remember one thing, you are not restricted when you are creating something. You can create whatever you want and nobody can point a finger at you. And guys, remember to make the holes while you are making the shapes, because if you don't, you won't be able to do it later on. So here I have already made 4 to 5 shapes. That includes an ice cream, a pizza slice, a rainbow shape, a camera, a seashell, donuts and water bottle. After you are done making the shapes, let it dry for half an hour for the M-Seal to harden up. After all my shapes are dry, I am giving it a single white colored coating. You can choose whatever color you want, whatever shape design you want to give, because it's up to you, your creativity, and you are free to do it. And so I am doing it like this. You can make a chocolate ice cream, a vanilla one, or anything you like, anything you can make. So I played with some colors, that is pink, white and orange for the ice cream. Once it is done, let it dry for half an hour at least. Any K-pop fan here? Please raise your hands in the comments box below. You can see that I have not restricted myself to any particular design or any particular theme. I'll be giving the final touch to every shape that I have made. And guys, remember one thing, you have to take the zero size brush to paint the minute details, because if you take the bigger brushes it will be very difficult for you to paint small edges, outlines and small details of any object, anything you want. Now after I am done with the front designs, all I am doing is giving a final touch of color at the back of the DIYs that I created. So I forgot to mention in the beginning that you also need a varnish to give the final coat to your craft, because varnish gives a protective layer to anything you make, be it wooden or clay. And as you can see, I am applying varnish to every design of mine, and it automatically enhances the look of any charm that you are making. After giving the final coating, I will let these dry for about 2 to 3 hours. And after letting them dry for 3 to 4 hours, we will go for the final touch up, that is the rings. So yeah, K-drama, K-pop fans, hi there. And yes, that is all. That is all that I have done, and I hope you like it. If you do, please let me know. Let's see the shots.
द स्टार ऑफ द शो। इनको बनाने में मुझे मेरी नानी दादी सब याद आ गई। ओह माय गॉड, जितना ये इजी दिखता है, इट्स, अब मैं नहीं बोलूँगी। इसलिए प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना, और मुझे ज़रूर बताना अगर आपको ऐसे कोई और DIY चाहिए। आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट, चाहे जितना भी खून पसीना ही करना पड़े, आई विल डू इट। एंड यस, जो मैंने आपको कहा कि प्लीज़ डोंट नेगोशिएट फ्रॉम स्मॉल बिजनेस ओनर्स, एंड स्पेशली वो लोग जो दिवाली में दिए बेचते हैं, छोटे मोटे क्राफ्ट बेचते हैं, या होली में कलर्स वगैरह बेचते हैं, होममेड कलर्स, तो उनसे मत नेगोशिएट करो, बिकॉज उनको कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होता इसमें, और उनकी बहुत मेहनत लगती है। ये 4 चीज़ें बनाने में मुझे जब 2 दिन लग गए, तो यू कैन इमेजिन, भले ही उनकी स्पीड ज़्यादा है, उनको आता है, टैलेंटेड है, बट स्टिल मेहनत तो लगती है। सो दिस इज़ माई स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम यू ऑल, #vocal4local, एंड प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब। पता नहीं कितने बार बोल दिया इस वीडियो में आज मैंने। एनीवेज, आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम, टिल देन I'll see you next time, till then bye. I'll see you next time, till then take care and bye.